I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your deleted photos on iPhone. So as you know, to delete a photo, it's real easy, but it doesn't actually get deleted. It sits on your phone for 30 days. So for example, I'm going to go to the Photos app and let's just go ahead and choose a photo, and we're going to go ahead and delete this, and we're going to hit delete photo. So let's back out of here. And then what you want to do is go to the Collections tab at the very bottom here. And then what you want to do is, this might look a little bit different depending on the iOS version that you have. But basically what you want to do is scroll down until you find your utilities. And you want to go ahead and hit recently deleted. So what this is going to show you is everything that you've been deleting on your iPhone. And as you see, it will hold it for 30 days. But if you want to go ahead and free up some space and just delete them permanently, it's real easy to do. So what you can do is go ahead and hit select. And then I'm going to select the things that I want to delete here. And then go to those three dots at the top of your screen. And then go ahead and hit delete. And then this will delete everything from your iCloud and all connected devices. So we're just going to go ahead and hit confirm. And now everything is deleted. So it's real simple to do. And that's it. It's very easy and very quick to go ahead and permanently delete your deleted photos.